Hey there, Hoplites. This is Crystal Fair, and I'm going to walk you through the process of submitting a ticket to the help desk of Responsive Ed. As you can see, I have started on the school's website, and I've scrolled down to the bottom to find a button that says IT Support. That's the button I'm going to go ahead and click to get to the IT help desk. From here, I'm going to click on the Click here to enter a service desk ticket, and if this is your first time submitting a ticket, you will need to create an account. So click the button that says Sign Up for an Account. You're going to enter in the email address that you would like to receive correspondence from. So I'm going to enter in my email address, a password of my choosing, my full name, and click Sign Up. Now from here, you can see there are a number of options available. You'll want to select the one that best addresses the issue or concern that you're experiencing. For this demonstration, I'm going to pretend I lost my student's Gmail account password and hit password reset. I'm going to enter in a brief summary of the issue that I'm having. In this case, forgot password. The platform will be Google, but there are a number of platforms available. You'll select the one that best applies. You'll want to enter in the campus that you're at, in this case, Schertz. And now you're going to want to enter in the username of the account that is experiencing the issue. So here you would put in your student's email address. I'm going to enter in a brief description of the issue that I'm having. In this case, I need to reset my password. Once I've done that, I'm going to enter in my phone number, and then you'll hit Create to submit your ticket.